ExcelJet provides the clearest solutions and explanations for decoding and encoding formulas. Very comprehensive website on Excel functions and classes. The way data is organized, presented, and explained is top-notch. A vast number of examples, using the most recent equations, as well as practical applications, have been attractively drawn and described in simple terms. The basic and instructive approach in demonstrating how to utilize Excel in so many different ways. It teaches you how to utilize Excel in everyday situations. ExcelJet is one of the best Excel sites. Trump Excel has several lessons and more than 12 hours of free training. The modules include the basics, Excel formulas, data analysis, introduction to charting, and pivot tables. These how-to-style tutorials make your daily tasks easy by recommending shortcuts and formulas. You can also download free Excel templates for productivity, project management, calendar, and others. There's a list of over 100 Excel functions, along with explanations and tutorials for each of them. W3 Schools is a powerhouse of learning resources, offering an array of technologies to explore. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, looking to expand your skill set, W3 Schools caters to a wide range of learning needs. The website's layout is clean and intuitive, making navigating and locating the information you need easy. The tutorials and examples provided are informative and hands-on, enabling learners to apply what they have learned in real-world scenarios. Its user-friendly interface, practical approach, and wide range of topics make it an ideal choice for anyone who wants to learn Excel. DeskBright is one of the most comprehensive lists of Excel resources on the web. There is a free series of online Excel lessons used by many. They also have several paid courses in Excel. DeskBright's Excel Mastery Certification is a comprehensive training program that will teach you how to design incredibly effortless spreadsheets that do all of your work. It's an online learning platform dedicated to helping people thrive at work. My Excel Online is an online course and platform for people who want to upgrade their Microsoft Excel and Office skills, level, and Office efficiency. There's a library of 1,000 plus video tutorials. The instructions and explanations were concise, clear, and straightforward. It divides projects into bite-sized bits, allowing you to work on them for a few minutes at a time if you only have a few minutes. The course information is up to date, and instructors deliver it at an easy to follow. Leila Garani has an active YouTube channel with many engaging, high-quality videos. She provides customized spreadsheet dashboard seminars and enhanced visualization techniques to large corporations. Her courses include examples based on her YouTube channel makes videos about analyzing data in Excel. The best part about Chandu's channel is his videos on creating practical dashboards, where he shows you how to analyze data and turn it into a meaningful dashboard. Excel Campus YouTube channel has more than 271 video tutorials on Excel for beginner and advanced users. The best part about this channel is the detailed tutorials on important Excel